Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get web receipt on Cash App. Alright, so let's begin. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Activity tab to view your recent transactions. Browse through your transaction history and locate the payment you need a receipt for. Once you've found it, tap on the transaction to open its details. On the transaction details page, you'll see additional information about that payment. Depending on your version of Cash App, you may see a web receipt option directly on the screen. If you don't see it right away, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner to open more options. From there, select Web Receipt to continue. Cash App will then open the receipt in your phone's default web browser. You'll be able to view a detailed summary of the transaction, including the payment information and other relevant details. From this page, you can copy the web receipt link if you want to share it with someone through a message or email. You can also save it for your own records whenever you need it in the future. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get web receipt on Cash App. So that's all for this video.